Let's be real, no one wants to look worse with time. But the harsh truth? Most people are doing 7 specific things every single day that are literally ruining their face. You might think it's just my genetics or I'm just unlucky. Wrong. The real reason most people lose their looks has almost nothing to do with DNA and everything to do with habits. And why listen to me? Because I used to make every single one of these mistakes. My face shape literally changed when I fixed them. Let's get into it. 1. Smashing your face into the pillow. Look around. You'll notice so many people have asymmetrical faces. One cheek is flatter, the eye sits lower, or the jaw looks undefined on one side. Most don't realize it's because they sleep on that side every single night. When you press your face into a pillow for 8 hours, you're physically molding your skull and skin. It flattens your profile. I used to be a right side sleeper, and my right side looks swollen and soft. Once I forced myself to sleep on my back, things actually evened out. Switch sides. Get a softer pillow, or better yet, master sleeping on your back. It's the only way to save your symmetry. 2. The "don't talk to me" face. Some people walk into a room and instantly repel everyone, not because they're ugly, but because they have resting misery face. If your neutral expression is tense or blank, you don't look mysterious, you look angry or exhausted. I had a friend like this. Great guy, but he looked like he wanted to fight everyone. The fix is stupidly simple. Loosen your jaw, lift your eyebrows just a tiny bit, keep a micro smile. Suddenly, you go from stay away to magnetic. Check your reflection when you aren't posing. That's the face the world sees. Fix it. 3. Touching your face. You eat clean, you have a skincare routine, but you still have acne. Why? Because you cannot stop touching your face. You touch your phone, which is dirtier than a toilet seat, then a door handle, then your chin. You are hand-delivering bacteria directly into your pores. The solution isn't a fancy cream, it's discipline. Catch yourself doing it, stop. Keep your hands busy. And for the love of God, sanitize your phone screen. 4. Mouth breathing. If you take nothing else from this video, listen to this. Stop breathing through your mouth. It is destroying your jawline. Mouth breathing pulls your face downward. It causes a receding chin, a long face, and a weak profile. You need to nose breathe. Look up mewing, keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth. It holds your facial structure up. It naturally sharpens your jaw. If you catch your mouth hanging open while watching TV or scrolling, shut it immediately. This is the single biggest habit that changes how you look. 5. Living like a vampire. Be honest, when was the last time you felt the sun on your skin? We live indoors, glued to screens, under artificial lights. That makes you look gray, sickly, and off. Sunlight regulates your hormones and your mood. Without it, you lose that natural life in your eyes and skin. You don't need a tan, you just need 20 minutes outside. Touch grass, breathe air that isn't recycled. It's free, and it's the difference between looking tired and looking alive. 6. Sleeping on a petri dish. You spend 8 hours a night with your face pressed against your pillowcase. If you aren't washing it weekly, you are marinating your face in a week's worth of oil, sweat, and dead skin. Then you wonder why you're breaking out. It's disgusting, and it's making you ugly. Wash your pillowcase once a week. If you have the cash, buy silk. It stops friction, reduces wrinkles, and keeps your skin clear. 7. The genetics excuse. This is the habit that kills your potential. You look in the mirror, see a flaw, and say, well, that's just my genes. That is a lie. Bad posture, junk food, mouth breathing, no sun, that isn't genetics, that's lifestyle. Look at the glow-up transformations online. People go from a 4 to a 9 just by fixing these small things. If they can do it, you can do it. But you have to stop playing the victim. If you tell your brain you're ugly, you will carry yourself like you're ugly. If you decide to fix it, you'll change. Every single one of these is fixable. You don't need money, you need awareness. Pick one habit to fix today, and I promise you'll see a difference in a few weeks. Comment below which one you're struggling with. I read the comments, and I want to know what we should tackle next. Thanks for watching. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting 1% better every single day.